Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Saturday, April the 1st, 2017. April Fools! Just kidding. Anyway, this morning's video, the Boeing Vertol CH47 Chinook. The Chinook was a heavy lift transport helicopter for the U.S. Army during the Vietnam War, Panama, Operation Desert Storm, the War on Terror, and Iraq in 2003. The first flight, the first flight of the Chinook took place in 1962. And it was delivered to the U.S. Army in 1966 to replace the old Piasecki H-21 workhorse, or Shawnee. The CH-47 is a twin-rotor helicopter that could carry 55 soldiers. Basic cargo could carry a single Humvee that could be slung from beneath, or an M777 howitzer that could be slung from beneath as well. Well, actually, the CH-47 Chinook could carry 2 Humvees at one time, and fuel bladders, transport trucks, and even during the Vietnam War, aircraft that were damaged that would be able to be brought back to base to be stripped of all usable parts. And it was that. But the first time the CH-47 was ever used during the Vietnam War, it was used as a gunship. The gunship variant proven to be a disappointment for the U.S. Army. The U.S. Army had withdrawn the Chinook gunship variant, and it was later returned to Vietnam by 1967. It would serve the remainder of the war up until 1973, when America's involvement in Southeast Asia was finally over. And the CH-47 would participate in a number of operations, and even special variants, insert Army Rangers, Green Berets, or Delta Force behind enemy lines. That means the Chinook could come in low. Once the cargo hold door, the ramp is lowered, then a rubber raft is pushed out, and they jump into the water onto the rubber raft and go into shore. The CH-47 serves with a number of air forces throughout the world, Italy being one of them, Japan and England being another. Libya was another country that used the CH-47 Chinook. And the CH-47 was updated throughout its career as the MH-47. It was to be used for the very first time for in-flight refueling from a Lockheed HC-130 Hercules. And today, the Chinook, when you hear that loud vibration coming from the Chinook as it is coming in, it feels like the ground is shaking. as you see the Chinook come in for a landing. And that would be in the hearts and minds of the veterans who flew her and those who have paid the ultimate sacrifice. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Please rate, share, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, have a nice day.